If Telegram is giving you trouble on your PC, whether it's stuck on connecting, updating, or just refusing to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the issue fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the first fix. Ending Telegram completely through Task Manager. Sometimes Telegram is still running in the background even when the window looks closed, and that can cause loading problems. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. In the Processes list, look for Telegram Desktop. When you find it, right-click on it and choose End Task. This forces Telegram to fully shut down and clears out any stuck background process that may be causing the error. After that, wait a few seconds, then try opening Telegram again. If Telegram still isn't working, the next step is to run it as an administrator. This gives the app the permission it may need to connect properly or apply updates. Go to your Telegram shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes to continue. Once Telegram opens with admin rights, check whether the issue is gone. This small step often fixes startup and connection errors on Windows. Now let's look at your network settings because VPNs and proxies are a very common reason Telegram fails to connect. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily and test Telegram again. Also check whether you're using any custom DNS settings or a proxy inside Telegram itself. In the Telegram app, go into Settings, then Advanced, then Connection Type or Proxy Settings, depending on your version. Make sure no proxy is enabled unless you specifically need it. If a VPN or proxy is routing Telegram through a blocked or unstable server, the app may get stuck on updating or connecting. Turning those off can fix the problem right away. If Telegram is still acting up, the next thing to check is your internet connection itself. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal can interrupt Telegram's connection to its servers. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a stable wired Ethernet connection if you can. That gives you a stronger and more reliable connection. If you don't have access to wired internet, restart your home router instead. Unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and let it fully reconnect. Then open Telegram again and see if it loads normally. Sometimes the issue isn't Telegram at all. It's just a temporary network problem. So to quickly recap, first end Telegram in Task Manager, then run it as administrator, disable any VPN or proxy settings, and finally check your network connection by switching to wired internet or restarting your router. These steps fix a lot of common Telegram errors on PC without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.